Okay, so question 18 of the paper is asking us to take a look at some ratio questions. So let's take a look and read. A road has three sections, D, E, and F. The lengths of D, E, and F are in the following ratios. What fraction of the length of the road is section D? Okay, so we're talking about this one, and it's not even asking you for a number, but actually a fraction. Okay, so a combination of different topics again that are interlinked. So that means what we need to do is, it's looking like one of those ratios where you've got to combine them. Okay, so combined ratio problem. So step one, what I always like to do is just rewrite the ratios myself, just to make it a bit more understandable for me. Okay, so we got D to E is 3 to F. Now I don't mean that you have to write it out again, but it's completely up to you how you start the question. E to F will be 7 to 4 as given in the question. Now we can see that both of these ratios have got a common letter in them, which is E. Okay, the road E. So what we can do to combine this ratio and make it into the form D to E to F, which is our ultimate aim, so that then I can just pick my D value and turn it into a fraction from there. But to get here, I need to first be able to combine these and make E the same in both of my ratios. Okay, the way to do that is to be knowing your lowest common multiple topic. Okay, so LCM. So what is the LCM of 5 and 7? Well, it should ring a bell to you. You could write out both times tables down the side, okay, or you might just remember from the top of your head that it will be 35. Okay, that's the least common multiple between both these times tables. So now I'm going to take my first ratio, multiply both sides by 7, because I want to change this to a 35. And remember, whatever I do to one side, I do the exact same to the other side. So this is also multiplied by 7, and it becomes 3 times by 7 is 21. Okay, but on this ratio, the second one, I have to actually multiply by not 7 but 5, because here we've got a 7, so 7 times by 5 will get me to my 35, and then 4 times by 5 will get me to 20. Okay, now that I've got them both, let me just neaten this up. Got both these ratios equaling, both these ratios where the E part is equal, I can now write it in as a combined ratio, okay, of D, E and F. So therefore D is equal to 21 when E is equal to 35, okay, and then F is equal to 20 when that is the case. Okay, so brilliant, we've got our combined ratio. Now we need to see what fraction of the road is section D. Well, that is our 21, but remember, we don't just write it as 21, we want fraction. So that means numerator should be 21, denominator is going to be your total of 21 plus your 35 plus your 20. So you know what is it out of, what's the total number of lengths. So that means it should be 21, and once you add these up, you should be getting 76. Okay, and remember, whenever we have a fraction, we do try and like to simplify in maths. But here we can see that there are actually no common factors, okay, for 21 and 76. 21 comes in 3 times table, 76 doesn't. 76 is even, 21 is odd, so it's not going to be in the 2 times table either. We can't half it. Therefore, if you even try 6 times table, 7 times table, it's not going to work. So we're going to leave it as it is, and my answer should just be 21 out of 76. Okay, so yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok for more of these. I am going through that whole November 2022 paper. Okay, and I'll be posting hopefully each week at least one of the question videos.